Alright guys, welcome back. I got the kayaks all loaded up this morning. July 5th. Gonna head down the Seneca River, right on the northern end of Kayak Lake, right at the opposite side of the dam there. I was gonna think about hitting up Kayak Lake, but yesterday being the holiday and the pros being around this weekend in the past couple weeks, figured it would have been pretty pressured, so figured I'd go down to the river this morning and see if we can't get in a small bass bite. Got my yak loaded up, got my son's yak loaded up, so it's about 7:30 or so. Wanted to get up a little earlier and get headed out, but when you got young teenage kids, it's kind of hard to get them up and motivated, so it is what it is. We're headed down, see when we get to the water. Alright guys, we made it. With me, dressed like we're going snowboarding or something. See how many people are down here today. Day after the holiday, nobody. What the hell? We got a couple down trees. Damn. So we'll park this way. Alright, we'll get unloaded. We'll see you guys once we get unloaded. Got one. First fish of the day, guys. Little guy. Not too bad. About 10 inches or so. Not gonna bother getting the scale or the thing out. So, these 3 guys. Alright, so what I'm throwing, just one of these little Googan bait. I think this is a slim shake worm. Black and blue flake. I bet you the dam is probably open a little bit. That's probably why there's so much current. Let's see when we get up there. Guy. Got him. That's a good one. Oh my God, that's a good one. Okay, Dad.
The bitch got to drop on us. My back is against the wall. This is not a test. It's the real deal. Help me. Help me.
Okay, that's a good one. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that fish, guys. Choked it too. Choked it. Got a weight on her, zero it out. $5.3. Guys probably can't see that. 5.3 pounds. Awesome fish. Woohoo! Let's get the release. This big boy. Alright guys, let's let this big girl go. And she's gone. You see that? Woo!
A few minutes later. That's good, whatever it is. A good fish. Oh! That bird had a big ass fish. Did you see that? Another fish. Probably about 2.5 pounds. Just got this one fish. 2.3 on the scale. Today got 4 fish, biggest being 5.3 or 5.4 I think. Alright, so we're gonna get headed back in. Into the ring. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for the day. Just got the kayaks loaded up and everything. I got about 4 bass today. Biggest being about 5.3. Spent about, I don't know, maybe, let's see here, maybe about 2 hours, 2.5 hours down on the water. So just getting everything loaded up, getting ready to take off here. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. First time of the year getting back on the water, so hopefully more to come. Do a couple small little lakes and stuff. Hit Cuba Lake up once once all the FLW guys are gone for the next couple weeks and everything, and the traffic slows down. So, all right, guys, have a good one.